Welcome to GridMarkets Tutorials. In this video, we will explain how to render a Houdini project using Mantra. Mantra is Houdini's native CPU-based render engine, designed to provide full control, high power, and high-quality visual effects. While it is highly versatile for particles, volumes, and complex geometry, it is currently being replaced by Karma as Houdini's main renderer, which is faster and more modern. If you also want to learn how to render using Karma, please check out our dedicated videos. The links are in the description. How to configure the render. First, if you haven't done so already, ensure that you are logged into Envoy. Use the GridMarkets Envoy launcher to install, update, or start it as needed. Next, go to your project, where your Mantra render nodes should already be set up. Add a GridMarkets Render Submit node and connect your Mantra render nodes. Note that nodes can be connected either sequentially or in parallel, as shown below. Inside the GridMarkets Render Submit node, you'll find three tabs. In the Scene Options tab, you can configure parameters such as the frame range, the take, or the submission settings. It's important to fill in the submission settings correctly so you can manage the render process smoothly later on using Envoy Web. The second tab is Variables. Here, you can add all the variables required for your scene. A key example is when working with OCIO, as you'll need to manually add its corresponding variable. Finally, there's the Advanced tab, where you'll find parameters related to re-uploading the render, job generation, and the Render Submit node itself. A typical case where you might need to use this tab is when working with timeshift nodes. Enabling the Upload All Frames for Selected Patterns option can be very helpful, as it prevents issues where required frames are not uploaded for these nodes during the render process. Once everything is connected, check the GridMarkets Render Submit node parameters and ensure all settings. The Preflight window will open. Use this window to manage which files are uploaded and to define where output files will be downloaded once the farm job is complete. For more details on the Preflight window, refer to our dedicated video or the documentation linked in the description. Proper use of this window is key to saving time and optimizing your render workflow. Finally, a confirmation window will appear. Once you have confirmed, the job will start. If you want to manage it or track its progress, you can do so through Envoy Web. Thank you for watching, and enjoy simulating and rendering with GridMarkets. If you want to learn more about how to optimize your workflows with GridMarkets, please visit our tutorial page.